started this vanity and this video, I had no idea what it was going to turn into. Oh my. When Hamish told me he was going to go pick up this vanity, I was super stoked. This is quite a beauty. Some of the veneer on the side over here is peeling off, so we're going to go ahead and just make sure we have anything loose removed. Initial thoughts were to leave the top of this natural and the drawers, but as you can see, the veneer is chipping off right here. I can fill it in, but it's not going to stain the same and won't look the same, so this baby's getting a full paint job. Let's go ahead and get started with plastic wood putty. I'm just going to use an old credit card and start filling this in. This is my favorite way to do it. I find the credit card's a little bit flexible and seems to work better. It's easier for me to handle than, say, a putty knife. As a bonus, this lady came with the original stool that matches, so I'm going to go ahead and get that top off so we can give it some new upholstery later on. Let's go ahead and sand this down, make it nice and smooth, and we'll be ready to get going. With a lot of these older pieces, I always try to think about the history of them. This guy probably had furniture polish put on it numerous times, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with a good coat of Wise Owl's primer in clear. After a good thorough cleaning, your primer is just going to block anything that may want to leak out, any tannins, any stains, anything just that we do not want. It's also going to help your paint adhere. Right, let's get going. We're going to be using DIY's Bohemian Blue and Wise Owl's Higgins Lake. I'm using one of my Klingon brushes. This is my F40. Absolutely love this brush, but the handle's a bit too long, so I chopped it off. Wise Owl's brushes and Klingon brushes are my absolute favorites. You can see how smooth the paint goes on. The synthetic bristles on them are cruelty-free and they do not fall out ever. All right, let's get to blending here. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of frame this out with my Bohemian Blue. I always have my misting bottle in my left hand. That way it's handy so I can give it a little spritz to keep my paint moving. As I add that Higgins Lake in there, I'm just gonna start blending it in. Just keep going back and forth until I get the look that I want. A little spritz when that paint starts to drag, and yeah, just keep working it. Initially, I had planned to add some white swan to this mix, but the way these two colors are blending, the different shades of blue and teal that they're making, there was absolutely no reason to add a third color in. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud. I find that bigger empty spaces are a little bit trickier. You really need to kind of move fast, keep a lot of paint on there, but not too much, and just keep that misting bottle handy to keep it damp so your paint will keep on moving. Sometimes I just do the top solid, but this was just turning out so pretty with the blending, so I decided to go ahead and do the top. Again, I'm going to put all my color on there, and I need to just kind of keep moving on. I don't want any brush strokes, I don't want any lines, so I'm going to go back and forth in all directions to eliminate those. Really important as you start getting towards the end to just use the lightest stroke. The Klingon's bristles are so very soft that you just need to, just like a feather. All right, this is called Heavy Metal, and it's made by Wise Owl. This color is copper. We're gonna water it down just a little bit, use our misting bottle, and make these legs super sexy. I had already cleaned my hardware pretty good, but it was looking super dull. So I'm gonna go back in with Wise Owl's Furniture Salve. It works wonderful to freshen up even your hardware. Of course, you can use it on lots of other things, but it works great on this if you haven't tried it. This is Wise Owl's 1 Hour Enamel Clear Top Coat. It is absolutely amazing, quickly becoming my #1 go-to. The durability is unbeatable, the sheen is gorgeous, and it's really easy to apply. I couldn't find any fabric that suited my needs for this particular piece, so I went ahead and got this curtain. I think it's going to work really well. The cushion on this guy was pretty flat after being sat on for all those years, so I have about 4 layers of batting on there. As you can see, I ended up doing quite a few pieces of furniture with this same technique, and I'll tell you all about that in just a second here. But I wanted you to see just how pretty they are. I really love these 2 colors blended, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to use them again, maybe even soon. When I started this vanity and this video, I had no idea what it was going to turn into. Oh my. While I was painting it and making the video, I was just in love with it. So pretty. And I started thinking, my daughter Megan has been asking me for a vanity for a couple years now. I should probably give her this one because her birthday's in just about a week. Oh my God, okay, so this vanity is gonna be so pretty in there, but everything else looks like crap. I start looking around the garage and I'm like, I've got a couple headboards right here. I could paint a headboard to match it. Why not? Now I'm looking at her nightstand going, oh no, it's hot pink from when she was 16. Not gonna work. Definitely paint the nightstand. I have this vintage lamp. I could do something fun with it. Paint the lampshade, do the same technique on it. There we go. I'm pretty excited to show Megan tomorrow night. She has not seen it and she has no idea that I completely redid her bedroom.
This is so cute.
You like it?
Yes. Oh my gosh. A little vanity.
She got that vanity, isn't it gorgeous?
Yes. Oh, I have the video too.
Yeah. It's a whole new
So
room.
cute.
You love it?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
I love it.
Good.
Never had a kid.
I know, you've never wanted one.
So cute.
Good, I'm glad you like it.
Bye, girl. Happy early birthday.
Thank you so much. I was struggling with my room.
So there we go, guys. Megan was super happy with it, and I'm happy to look in there now and not see a disaster area. Let's hope she keeps it like that. Thank you guys for watching. This project has been really fun. Definitely more that I had intended, but you know what? I'm really happy I did it, and I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments below. Happy birthday to Miss Megan. She's 23 years old. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget, you need any of these products, you can find them on my website at Windmill Vintage Designs. You guys are awesome, and remember, only you can make it happen. See ya.